Hello everyone! Today I will share a recipe for an omelette I've been making for breakfast in the past 3 weeks. In my opinion, it is the best omelette I have ever had. Along the way, I will also show you how I make it with different proteins depending on what I have left in the fridge from the night before. Here are the basic ingredients you will need. 1 tablespoon of butter, 1/4 of a chopped yellow onion, 1/4 of a chopped bell pepper, and in my opinion orange or red works best, 2 small portabella mushrooms also chopped, 1 chopped burger patty or whatever cooked meat you may have left from the night before. I buy those cooked burger patties frozen from Costco and they work quite well. 4 small potatoes previously cooked, 4 eggs, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, 1/2 cup of egg whites, Tabasco sauce, a few strings of fresh Italian parsley, and finally about 30 grams of smoked Gouda cheese and salt to taste. You will also need a frying pan that you can safely put in the oven to finish the omelette. While melting the butter under medium to high heat, chop the onion, bell pepper, mushrooms, beef patty, and the potatoes into small pieces. Once the butter is hot and sizzling, swirl the frying pan to make sure the sides are covered with butter as well. Then, add the chopped onions, bell peppers, and mushrooms and season with a pinch of salt. While those ingredients are sautéing, in a large enough bowl, crack the 4 eggs, add the 1/2 cup of egg whites, 2 tablespoons of heavy whipping cream, a nice pinch of salt, and finally chop the parsley. Scramble everything well together and set aside for a few minutes. Also, at this point, start preheating the oven broiler, meaning only heat the top of the oven. Next, add the chopped burger patty and cooked potatoes and sauté until the potatoes get golden brown edges. Here I want to mention that often I use bacon for this recipe, and when so, I cook the bacon first. Then, I don't add any butter, but use the grease from the bacon to sauté the rest of the ingredients. I can honestly say that I like this omelette recipe best with bacon. Bacon just makes everything taste so much better. Back to the original omelette recipe. Once the potatoes have gotten a little color, add the scrambled eggs, turn the burner off, and arrange the smoked Gouda cheese over the eggs. Place the pan in the oven 2 levels below the top broiler and broil for 3 minutes. The first time you make this delicious omelette, make sure to keep an eye on it as different ovens heat differently. After 3 minutes, take the omelette out of the oven and make sure to use a towel or a glove. I'm mentioning this because I burned my hand quite a few times. For some reason I forget the glove when I see the hand dough, I just reach straight for it. Anyway, take the omelette out, dish it up, add some Tabasco sauce and enjoy. As I said earlier, we love this omelette so much, we've been having the same breakfast for 3 weeks now. And I do change it up a bit by using different meats and different varieties of bell peppers and mushrooms. I hope you enjoyed this recipe and I really hope you try it. You will love it. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please consider subscribing. And as always, thank you so much for watching. I love you all. Goodbye.